Hi, Sunil. हाँ, नूतन मैम. Hi, ma'am. Where are you
Hello,
from?
I'm from Mathura.
Mathura. Oh my God, Mathura, Vrindavan, right?
No, Vrindavan is different, Mathura is different.
Mathura, Vrindavan, similarly, na? Okay.
Okay.
Please share
So,
me a
yeah,
little
most
bit.
of the people think so. Yeah,
हाँ.
sure, of course. So,
Mm-hmm.
I think we should be starting from the introduction as we are meeting
Yeah.
for the very first time.
Yeah. Sure. Uh,
So, may I?
Uh, yeah, first I will share my introduction little bit. My name is Chandni. I am from Bangalore, and I want to enhance my communication. That's why I'm talking, strange person. And I completed my post
Hmm.
graduation in Banaras. So now
Okay,
I was doing job in Mumbai, but after my shift in Bangalore, I did job for month, 5 month. I thought, but most important communication. That's why I was thinking most important communication. Thus, I will do job. This is my little bit
okay.
introduction. Tell me about yourself, Nutan ma'am.
Yeah, great, good to hear that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura, and I have just started working as a teacher. It has been more than 2 months.
Oh.
And talking about my qualification, I'm graduate from commerce, and
Mm-hmm.
I have a YouTube channel by the name of English with Nutan Deep. And yeah,
Oh.
I'm blessed with two kids. So this is
Nutan
all
di.
about me. Thank you.
Okay, Nutan di. So what I said, Nutan di, or Nutan ma'am.
Nutan. It's just
Nutan.
Nutan. Call me Nutan.
By the way,
Call me
what's your
Nutan.
name mean? Could you share?
New.
Means
Yeah, it's new. The meaning of my name is new.
new, Naya. Okay. Hmm. So living Mathura. So your born bottom is there? Yeah, only your
In-laws
in-laws family is
place.
there. Okay,
Yeah.
wow. So many time I visited, Mathura, Vrindavan, Agra. So I like that
Okay.
place. Even
Okay.
I want to again go. You can say it's my
And
bucket
explore.
list. Yeah, it's my bucket
Okay.
list. I will go in
Mhm.
future, God willing.
Yeah,
So yeah.
sure.
So you told
Okay.
you made YouTube channel. How long have been you
Mhm.
started your this journey, YouTube journey?
It has been more than 3 years.
3 years. Oh my God.
Mhm.
How many uploaded your video?
More than 550, 550 plus
Oh my God. You're great.
videos
Yeah,
so
and
far.
yeah, actually I recently I opened, I made a YouTube channel because of Chat with Chandani because of I was bored now in my home. So that's why
Okay.
it's not about bore. Most important, I want to enhance my communication, just like I told. So
Mm-hmm.
the Bangalore city is very hi-fi. So that's why.
Exactly. I have heard,
Yeah, and the
top
IT
tier.
sector is there now. So it's very, even Med
Mm-hmm.
also knows English very well, 20%. So
Okay.
sometimes, yeah, very high-fi people is living. So what about, tell me about your Mathura, because so many time I heard about Mathura. So do you know
Yeah.
about Mathura?
Yes, of course, I would love to share. As you
Mm-hmm.
initially said, Vrindavan, you took
Yeah.
this name.
Yeah,
So
Radhe
Vrindavan
Radhe.
also, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Radhe Radhe. Vrindavan is known for Radhe Krishna and Mathura as well. Mathura is the birthplace of Lord Krishna, and here are more than 5,000 temples, and all are dedicated to Lord Krishna. From a small, subtle temple to a massive temple, all deities are established in the temples in a different attire, and it's
Mm-hmm.
quite captivating to look at them.
Mm-hmm.
And what saying, if I tell you. And talking about the food items, so there are varieties of delectable items, so
Oh.
scrumptious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and if I tell you about the places, so there are so many places as well. It's not about only just temples, like
Mm-hmm.
Govardhan Parbat
Yeah,
and
I
Chaurasi Khamba.
visited.
It's a kind of temple, but not
Yeah, yeah,
temple.
yeah.
So many, yeah.
So you visited all
And
place, all area in Mathura, Vrindavan.
no, not all. And so many temples. Let's say Bihariji temple that is in
Mm-hmm.
Vrindavan, and
Mm-hmm.
as I told you, the Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi, that's a place of
Mm-hmm.
birthplace of Lord Krishna.
Mm-hmm.
So there I have been so many times. Be it, I can say 20, 25 times so far within these years. Yeah,
You're
and
so lucky,
there.
but ma'am, you're so lucky. You're living there. Oh.
Yeah.
Go
And
ahead.
talking about the celebration of the festivals, so there's a big celebration of every festival. Specifically, Shri Krishna Janmashtami, Diwali, Holi. We just
Mm-hmm.
celebrated.
left, yeah.
And yeah, so before Holi we celebrated, and it has
Mm-hmm.
been celebrating. That time it had been celebrating in, let's say, Barsana, Vrindavan. It was
Mm-hmm.
like the Holi of colors, Holi of flowers.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so really enjoyed.
Mm-hmm.
So many things, anyone can come up here and explore themselves, and they'll also, it's really factual that they are going to enjoy, literally they're going to enjoy over there, over here. Yeah,
And I
even foreigners
heard,
also come.
yeah, yeah. I saw so many times. You can say three time I visited, Vrindavan. After married, one time I visited first Vrindavan, and I
Mhm.
heard, their side, Vrindavan side, very famous Holi. Is it?
Yes, yes, it is. This is why I
Ah,
said, no.
yeah. Oh, I heard. I like, first of all, I like Holi, and Vrindavan also I like. So
Yeah, it.
you want to ask any question? Because so many time I am
Yeah,
asking question. You are not
yeah.
asking me. That's why.
Actually, I was listening to you. I was all ears. Okay, so you tell me, as you have environment in your place, you're living in Bangalore.
Yeah, yeah. Bangalore environment is. Thank you asking this question. Bangalore, very nice weather, and these days not good weather. It's very hot, you can say. But
Okay.
Bangalore weather always, you can say, 12 month always same weather. It's cold, not very hot, not
Yeah.
very cold, not summer, everything, not like that. It's a very normal weather, and so many greeneries available and some mountain. So I like
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore, and traffic is too much there. And you heard, I thought. And
Yes, yes.
Bangalore, so many jobs available, so many entrepreneurs there, and
Mm-hmm.
you can say business mentalities here. So many people, Bangalore people like a business mentality, and
Mm-hmm.
I can say Bangalore. This time, I think building a metro train is a Bangalore,
Okay.
but not.
Okay.
I can't say sure. Some places available, some places not available. And actually, I live in Bangalore, Mumbai, both city. I live. So both I can do
Okay.
compare, but you asking, Bangalore. So Bangalore city is very nice. Very, you can say hi-fi. And their side mother tongue is Kannada, but most of people talking English.
Okay.
You can say auto people know 20 to 30% English very well. So if
Okay.
you speak Hindi, so people can't value. Oh, if
Yeah.
suppose you Hindi, so ma'am, I don't know Hindi. Just like you will have a, oh, you don't know Hindi? It's very surprise. Just like you can say, you feel just like you're living in any foreign country. Sometimes you can feel.
Mm-hmm.
And so many
Okay.
foreign doing job here, Bangalore. I don't know
Sometimes
why.
they try to, I don't know, that's totally
Mhm.
true, but sometimes they just try to condescend this language, downgrade this language, Hindi
Yeah, yeah.
language, because
Yeah,
sometimes they are not liking.
yeah, South people,
It
you
is
can
good to
say.
like our own mother
Yeah, yeah.
tongue, as we have a kind of connection with our mother tongue. That's
Mhm.
a profound relation we have
Mhm.
towards our mother tongue, but we cannot and we should not be doing such thing, like downgrading other languages, right? And it is, I think, vastly spoken.
Yeah.
Hindi
Hindi,
language.
Hindi,
Yeah,
Hindi language. Yeah, but
yeah.
okay, no problem. Even then, you can live in Bangalore if you speak Hindi, so not too much worry. But you live in Chennai now and Tamil Nadu, so you can't survive. You can't survive Hindi. You have to speak English. Otherwise, please leave me. Leave out my city.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very hard. Very, you can say, very rude there. There people like very rude. Chennai, Tamil
Okay.
Nadu. And I heard news, recently news, I heard, so many debate, Mumbai and Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Do you heard? Do you listen that
I'm
news?
not really into. I'm not really into listening and watching news.
Yeah.
This is why I don't know much.
Also, I don't like, news, but I'm living South area, no? So definitely I have to listen. It's common thing. That's
Okay.
why. Uh,
Okay. So you talk on any topics? Do you talk when you
you
connect with
have
the
any?
people?
Yeah, I have spoken so many lady and boys. So I talk, normally conversation, just like I started new, my YouTube channel. So I'm thinking what I talk, people. I have no any, topics. So you told you're completed 3 year, na? So tell me about what you spoken in 3 year journey. Tell me about little bit.
See, when I initiated this journey, so that time I was quite fearful, but that
Mm-hmm.
big thing inside me, it was my passion. It was really
Mm-hmm.
massive passion I had. This is this is why I just initiated this journey.
Mm-hmm.
And at that time, I used to speak just about English language normally, like how to conquer our fear and the
Mm-hmm.
hesitation, even though I was not confident enough, even though I was doing these kind of things. And talking about conversational videos, so it has been around 9 months, and I have been talking with so many people.
Mm-hmm.
And I think most of the time I talk with the people on topic, such kind of topic. It's not a big, massive topic, like let's
Mm-hmm.
say corruption. Let's say
Yeah, it's not like that. It's
there's
very
there's a,
hard
there's a big
communication.
no, but I have talked like and on education system, women
Yeah,
empowerment,
yeah,
poverty, and let's say child labor. So this I have talked so
yeah.
far.
This is also
And
good. You're
nowadays,
right.
what I'm doing and I have been doing is like picking up one word or any emotion, any feeling, any
Mm-hmm.
commodity, and
Mm-hmm.
then talking about that particular word.
Mm-hmm.
Anything, when you hear that, what comes up in your mind, that you have to share. And I also share, and I always try my level best to take the head start, meaning I start first, then I let the other person speak the things. Firstly, I take that hold. Yeah.
Wow, so juggling girls, nice, nice.
Mhm.
So very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, even I'm
Because it's a nice
trying.
way to do the
Mm-hmm.
practicing, because we
Mm-hmm.
cannot talk always on the same thing, like we cannot harp on the same string, like
Mm-hmm.
asking the such stuff, journey and all, because it will become really monotonous when again and
Mm-hmm.
again you are asking the same thing,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
somebody is like you are being asked the same question and
Mm-hmm.
then you are replying. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it becomes sometimes tedious.
Yeah, yeah.
Instead, talk on some specific things or any scenarios that would be much engaging and interesting as well. And the main thing that we have to practice, so that we'll
Mm-hmm.
become much accustomed with the language,
Mm-hmm.
because we have to just have a good hold over this English language so
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
it just come up from our mouth,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right,
spontaneously,
right.
normally. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this
Yeah.
this I do, and I have been doing for a very long time.
Mm-hmm. So you told you are teacher, no? Since I thought
Yeah. Yes,
2000.
yes.
So what
Yeah,
subject?
it is about to be completed 3 months. It's English
Oh,
subject.
3 months. English subject. Oh, you are English teacher. Hmm. So what
hmm
class handling?
It's
In
seventh and eighth grade.
So I think you also your English
The
good.
school is totally Hindi medium actually.
So I think
I'm working over
Vrindavan
there.
also, yeah, Vrindavan also, I saw so many time. Vrindavan is a very, you can say, uh, so many school and college, I think available Radha Krishna, mention name, school name, I can
Yeah,
say. Is
school
it?
name is Krishna
Yeah,
most of the time.
Krishna, yeah, yeah. And so many,
Saraswati.
I saw so many bag, school bag mentions Radhe Radhe. Is it? And I
Yes, yes,
saw
yes. Attire as
ring the
well.
bell, ring the bell.
Attire,
Excuse me,
even
not
bangles as
excuse
well.
me. Yeah, not excuse me. Please, Radhe, Radhe,
Radhe Radhe.
Radhe. I
Radhe.
like that.
Yes, yes.
I like that.
And when
Hmm.
we meet somebody for the very first time, or when we are meeting to
Hmm.
anyone, so we say
Hmm.
not say like good morning, good afternoon. We say Radhe Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe. Exactly. I'm also, I've been talking with husband this morning. I wake up and just say Radhe, Radhe. Before marriage, I said you have to talk daily rather than message. And if you call now, so please call, Radhe, Radhe. I said, okay, okay. We
Great,
accepted.
great.
Yeah.
Really
Yes.
interesting.
Yeah, actually. So you believe God, by the way?
Yes, of course. I just believe I love. I have a connection, because so many people out there, they have the fear. They fear of God. Some people.
I think you
And
put
some
on,
people
what, Tulsi
garland.
Mala. I think, no? You put on
No,
the, no?
this is not a tulsi mala. It just prevent me from evil eyes.
Okay. Because
This black thread.
black.
Yeah.
Okay. Even actually, I want, Tulsi Mala, but I couldn't find in Bangalore. Yeah, I
When you
have.
wear tulsi mala, basil garland, then you
Yeah.
have to follow
There's so
some
many rules,
rituals.
regulation. Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
So many
you
rules,
cannot
regulation.
have onions and the garlics.
I'm not believing in onion and garlic, but yeah, so many or any you
Just
if you
you
are
cannot
husband
tell a
wife,
lie.
yeah, tell a lie
So
most
many things.
important. And
And
yeah, you're right.
celibacy,
Yeah.
celibacy
And
as
you're a
well.
husband wife, so don't do that
This is
type.
this is what
See,
I'm
yeah,
saying,
the
na?
cell.
Celibacy.
Okay, right, right.
Yeah.
So
So
that's
many
why
things.
I'm saying, yeah, so many things. So even also, so ISKCON temple also there, Bangalore, but it's too far because I am living, Bangalore and Tamil Nadu border.
Okay.
So yeah, so I like recently shipped, this city, this area. Otherwise, I was living in Indranagar, Bangalore. It's a very popular, very
Okay.
famous, you can say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Great. Great.
great.
Any other queries for me?
No, actually, you should ask because you are great. Nutan, what's your Didi channel? Na? I thought you
Nutan.
told
Yeah.
Nutan Deep
Deep.
channel. Deep.
Deep. Yeah.
Deep
Yeah.
means just like light.
Yeah. Light. It's a light.
Nutan, Deep,
Deep.
Deep. नूतन दी दीप या नूतन दीप दीप
Only it's Nutan Deep.
नूतन दीप wow, who
Yeah.
gave this idea by the way? Your
I think
channel.
as far as I remember, no, it's like it's my name.
Uh-huh.
So I
Mhm.
I took this name for my channel.
Okay,
Yeah, I
so
took this name for my channel. Yeah, my own name.
own name. Okay, so
Mhm.
ma'am, tell me, you tell
Please
your
call me
teacher.
Nutan.
No, Nutan, please tell me you are teacher. So you are good teacher. You are a strictly teacher. Please give honestly
I'm not
answer.
strict.
Please give
Yeah, to be
honestly
very
answer.
honest, I'm not strict. Even,
Not.
I'm not strict, though I teach to the students and they are liking me. Why they are liking me? Because I don't beat them. I don't give them
Oh,
any punishment.
oh,
Okay.
oh.
Sometimes I shout at them
Yeah, depend
as they
on
are not listening me
kids.
and they are showcasing tantrums. So
Hmm.
that time I have to just volume up my voice, or
Hmm.
else they are just liking me. Whenever they see me like Nutan ma'am, and they give me this much respect. They just touch my feet always whenever it comes to go back
Yeah, yeah.
home.
Okay,
So
okay.
so much, I feel like overwhelming when I
Oh.
when I just see students, they are giving me this much respect. And teaching field is such a respectful job, I can say. You receive so much respect, value
Value,
from the
respect.
people, from the students
Mm-hmm.
parents as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'm not
Yeah, yeah,
strict.
yeah. Good. So you have kids?
Yes, I have two kids. My son is in 10th grade and my daughter is
Okay.
in ninth grade.
So you doing husband any work? Any
Yes,
business?
he runs a business.
Yeah, most of people, their side, Mathura Vrindavan doing, sell business.
Yeah, mostly
And
they are really
yeah,
inclined to do such things,
yeah,
business. Yeah.
yeah. And even I went now, once upon a time I went, Vrindavan. So I ate, samosa. It's a 50 rupees. But I like samosa. Very tasty samosa, very delicious samosa. It's a 50 rupees. 25
50
I thought.
rupees at
No, 20, 25 I
no,
thought.
it would be,
25.
it would be, I think, 15 rupees, not 50.
Not 1 5. It's a 20, 2 5. He told
Okay, 2
he
5.
yeah 2 5. He told because the pure ghee, that's why. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe. But
He
I
was
like.
making fool,
I don't know.
making you fool.
I don't know. So any
Yeah.
state I went now, so he don't know it's a very pure ghee. That's why. Actually, I like that samosa. I like
Okay.
maybe it's a pure
Here,
ghee.
here's, kachori is very famous
Yeah,
in Mathura,
kachori.
in Vrindavan
And
as well.
lassi
Morning
also
break,
famous. Lassi.
sorry.
It's
In
okay.
morning time,
Mm-hmm.
each and every like
Like
male, they
milk.
just go out and have as a breakfast.
Oh.
Kachori, they just have. Not my husband, but most of the male they do so.
Kachori.
When you
Okay.
go to the shops of or
Mm-hmm.
the stall of such kachori, you'll find all the
Mm-hmm.
male, they are standing and they are having
Mm-hmm.
kachori in the
Oh.
morning time as a breakfast.
What is price? Kachori price?
I think it's 14 or 15. Now I don't know. I'm not really into that because
This is
it's
good
quite
business. I
oily.
can I can open there. That's good. I can open business. Yeah. And I can touch
But it solicit
any.
your all efforts, na? You have to put in efforts first of all. It solicit your
Yeah.
efforts. and
Mm-hmm.
the stuff, everything, and you must know how to make that.
Yeah,
That is
right.
called art.
Art. Yeah, art.
Meaning you can learn that. It's
Mm-hmm.
not a rocket science that you can't
Yeah.
learn, but
Yeah, it's not
by
rocket science,
practice.
but by
Yeah,
practice.
by
Yeah.
practice you can learn anything, be it anything, any languages, any food item, anything you want to learn, any
Mm-hmm.
skill, then you can learn. It
Mm-hmm.
needs your dedication, your
Mm-hmm.
interest, and continuity. And
Yeah.
same thing it goes with English language. Once you want to have a very good hold with the confidence level, so you need these aspects, really important, plays a
Mm-hmm.
very pivotal part here.
Yeah. But your voice, by
Yeah.
the way, like, but you're speaking very smoothly. That's why. And people can
Oh,
understand
thank
very
you.
easily. But my voice not very, clear. Okay, okay. Wait, first of all, I'm very fast. I mean, I'm talkative, I know, but I'm
So
talking
do
Hindi
I.
and English. So,
So do I. I'm also really talkative.
not like me. You are, might be, but this time I am. Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes. Yes.
Agree.
Agree. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah, I
Thanks.
agree.
Hmm.
Okay.
So where is your mother? Sorry, your family, own family? Because you're living
In
in-law
Gurugram.
family. Gurugram.
Yeah, my in Gurugram.
Where is this city? This is Vrindavan.
In Haryana. No, it's in
Haryana.
Haryana.
Haryana. Oh, Haryana. I know.
North
Well,
side of India. Hmm.
yeah, I heard, but I never went there. I have
Okay.
never.
It is also a kind of top tier, state.
Hmm.
Not state. It's not state. State is Haryana. But
Haryana.
talking about Gurugram, so it is advancing day
City,
by day.
na?
It's evolving. Yeah, it's a city.
Cities, small cities there, na? Okay.
No, it has become a, I can say, a kind of hub, and
Okay.
so many people. Yeah, it's a
What
kind of,
type hub is
as
there?
I in the field of IT, you can say same like Bangalore. You can say, and
Okay.
big skyscrapers,
Companies.
buildings, and the
Okay.
companies. Yeah, in
I
this
think
context, I'm saying.
Gurgaon,
Yeah.
na? Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
And
Yeah,
yeah, Gurgaon is very famous. I heard Gurgaon and
yeah.
you
So
can say Noida. Both,
NCR. Yeah.
both become in a very hi-fi city. I heard so many times. Even my husband was doing job in Noida, so he told. And Gurgaon also very famous now. I
Yeah,
think
of course
because
it is.
even
It is
in
evolving
Bangalore,
day by day.
day by day, this is good. I will do. So, what is your aim?
My aim is to become a very, I can say, prominent and eloquent speaker.
Oh, yeah, great. You also have a great ma'am, Nutan. But okay, let's see
This
what's
is why I'm
going.
saying, see, nobody is perfect, first of all, and we cannot
Yeah.
position ourselves in this perfectionism, right? If you are considering yourself that you are perfect, this means next day you are going to stop the thing that you are doing and you have been doing, right?
Yeah.
So if you are perfect and you feel like that you are perfect in the things that you are doing,
Hmm.
so don't showcase and don't, I can say, don't harp on the same string again and again. You don't have to speak out about that thing. Instead, uh, do the work secretly and do the practicing, and it will
Yeah.
show up. You're going to
Yeah.
shine.
Shania. And not, I can see, yeah, you're right. Right. Not my habitual, first of all, but I will do, I'm talking about my English. Even my mother tongue is a Hindi. So I think you also mother tongue is a Hindi, I
Yes,
thought.
yes,
Mathura.
it's in
But
the.
your language is very different. I'm talking about Vrindavan because I have no listening. I'm listening, who is man, who is, Indresh Upadhyay. Do you know him?
No,
Indresh
I
Upadhyay.
don't remember.
I like him.
Is
He's a,
is he a saint? Is he a saint?
yeah, yeah.
A
He's
preacher?
a, yeah. Even
Okay.
just like you can say
Anirudh.
Premanand. No, Premanand. Do you know
Okay,
Premanand?
Premanand. Yeah, I know Premanand Maharaj ji.
So he just like him. He's a pravachan.
Okay.
And so many time I saw. I'm watching daily because I like he explained very brief in a Krishna Janmabhoomi, everything. You can say
Yes, yes.
Bhagavad Gita. He explained Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Gita very explained. So I like him,
Hmm.
and even these days I'm listening, Kumar Vishwas. I like
Okay.
Kumar Vishwas. He's a very inspiring person. First of all,
He is.
he's
Yeah.
very inspiring person. Do you know him, Kumar
Yes, yes,
Vishwas?
I know him. Yes,
He's
yes.
he's a very great person, and he talking about the new generation. So that's why
Hmm.
I like him. Yeah. So
Great.
yeah, morning time. It's my, you can say, my routine. After
To
wake up
listen him.
morning, listen. I listen him. Vishwas, Kumar
Okay.
Vishwas, and what's the name? Uh, what's the name I told?
Indra.
Indresh Upadhyay.
Indresh. Hmm.
Indresh
Okay.
Upadhyay. So, so you have any topic, because you're a teacher. So I think you have any so many topics.
I think I have topic, but I think we have talked a lot. Can you see the timing this time? What is the
Hmm.
time?
Then I think 20 minutes. I thought, 40 minutes, hotel meaning. It's not mentioning timing here. I can't see timing. Even after,
Okay, okay.
only 40 minutes he told, but I think we have time. We can talk. He will remind, na, don't worry about that. He will remind 10 before 10 minutes. Don't worry.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not a topic. It's being jovial, being jubilant, happy, and being frolicking always.
Raw
How do
licking,
you
what you
take
said?
this?
What you said?
Being jovial.
Jovial,
In Hindi we say meaning hasmukh,
hasmukh, smiling.
hasmukh.
Okay. Yeah, okay, got it.
Smiling face, smiling
Yeah,
wholeheartedly,
yeah.
and always in adverse situation as well. So how do you take this? What's your point of view after listening this word? Being jovial,
Mm-hmm.
being frolicking in every
Hmm.
situation,
If you are
jubilant
say,
in every
yeah,
situation.
if you taking this situation, so how you handle? You mean to say?
Whatever comes up in your mind, you can say.
Hmm. First of all, I am very, you can say, very happy person. Uh, Rarely, you can say, I upset. Otherwise, I'm very, comedy person. I'm very happy, and you can say, uh, I have no any pressure.
Okay, let me
Any,
ask you. Let me ask.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, when it comes to face any adversity,
Mm-hmm.
any setbacks, so at the same time, do you feel like that now I'm also feeling great? There is no problem. I can
Mm-hmm.
manage these things.
Yeah.
I can just take that control. It
Mm-hmm.
cannot overpower me.
Yeah,
So do you think
sometime.
so, or do you just start feeling depleting when
Yes,
there is a kind of
sometime.
setbacks?
Sometime you can say depend on situation, depend on problem. Yeah, I can say sometime I can, you can say, upset, but I can understand self. Yeah, I have a God, and I give everything God, so He will do everything.
Surrender. You surrender
I surrendered. I surrender all thing, even everything, even
all
suppose,
problems to him. Yeah.
everything. He will take solution everything, because God is
Yeah,
everything.
he will take care of that.
Yeah, He will take care, because I, after got married, I established Radha Krishna in my home. So also I have so many rules regulation. Because I'm
Mhm.
little bit devotee, you can say. That's it. We
This is
can
why you're
talk
so
10
much
minutes.
jovial.
Yeah, jovial. I
Mhm.
think time is going. Only we can talk 10 minutes. So I have to wrap up the call.
It's okay. It's okay. No
So
problem.
okay, because of
Let's wind up.
mention. Yeah, by the
Yeah, no
way,
problem.
fruitful conversation with you,
Yeah,
Nutan.
it was. Thank you, and
Yeah,
I thoroughly enjoyed
yeah.
with you.
Might be I can say I want to connect, soon, because that time I have to keep any topic. Please send me any topic. Definitely, I will talk, because
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
sure,
We'll
ma'am.
connect some other day.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye
Nutan,
bye. Nutan.
thank you.
Sorry,
It
sorry.
was
Nutan.
amazing connecting with you. Thank you. Okay, then bye bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Bye bye.